Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Pet Treater unboxing. This is the cat pack for December. And this usually includes like toys, treats, stuff like that. So, this is so cute. Crazy Claus. It's a little penguin. And he makes little crinkling sounds. And he rattles at the bottom. I like that he's winter themed. That's really cute. Oh, maybe it's like a whole Christmas theme. Let's see. This is the best thing ever. It's a little Christmas little Santa hat for your cat. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely perfect. We are totally going to use that on all the little kitties. Okay, and then we got our little treats. Poppin' Bites. These are ocean fish flavor. Cool. That's very neat. Another little Christmas toy. Crazy Claus cat toy. This one's on a long string with a bell. It's a little candy cane. Very cute. And then my favorite part, and Jackson's favorite part, is the sticker. You always get a funny little sticker. So this one says, "Meowie Christmas, you filthy animal." That's hilarious. So cute. And then there's always like a couple little advertisements on there that you follow them. They do giveaways. They have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And they also have a dog box as well. So if you have a dog rather than a cat, then you could get the pet treater for the dog. So I will have all that information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.